Hello, thank you for joining me. This is an exercise that you'll see a couple of times throughout the program. For this, you're going to want two medium to heavyish weights. I am using a 16 kg kettlebell and a 20 kg kettlebell. In the effort of full disclosure, I usually do this with a barbell, but barbells, not everybody has them, so use what you've got. The way you're going to hook your hands around this is you're going to start with your hands out here, and you're going to bring them back into the weights. So hands start out here, bring them back into the weights. That's going to give you a secure grip. I'm going to show you from the side so you can see what's happening in my hips. My booty is going back to give me space to reach the dumbbells. My feet are on the wider side to have room for the dumbbells, or for the kettlebells, excuse me. And my heels are turned in a little bit. This is personal preference. I prefer that. It feels better for me. See what works for you. So I start here. I pull my hands back towards me, and I pull the weights up. Tap them down, and then do it again. So I'm resetting each one to get that hook action of the hands. Give that a try, see how it goes. Thank you.